This is Catalyst, where we ask senior management the questions investors want answered. Let's get to it. James Martin, CFO and interim co-CEO of Cocrystal Pharma, will be joining us today. James, please provide an update on Cocrystal Pharma's Phase 1 study in Influenza A.
So an update on our clinical trial. So we conducted a clinical trial, a Phase 1 this year, to evaluate both the safety and tolerability of our influenza drug candidate, CC42344. The trial was conducted in Australia with 56 healthy adults, and we're essentially complete at this time. I am happy to report that the drug candidate shows good safety and tolerability, and this was done in all doses, both single and multi-ascending doses.
How does CC42344 compare with other influenza antivirals?
Yes, so our Influenza A drug candidate was discovered using our proprietary drug discovery platform. This is the same platform that was used in our collaboration with Merck to develop a number of Influenza A/B compounds as part of that program for them. In addition, this is an orally administered antiviral compound, and it binds to a specific PB2 site in the Influenza A polymerase. Now, this compound was designed to be effective against all significant strains of influenza, including both seasonal and pandemic, and to have a high barrier to resistance. Now, in vitro testing that we've done in-house has shown excellent antiviral activity in both seasonal and pandemic, but it's also shown antiviral activity against strains that have been resistant to Tamiflu and Xofluza, while at the same time maintaining excellent pharmacokinetic and safety profiles. So it's a really exciting compound.
What are the next steps in the clinical and regulatory process?
Yeah, so we have already completed a Phase 1 trial for this drug candidate and are currently working on the application to do a Phase 2A in the UK. We've already contracted a CRO in the UK to conduct this trial, and it will be a human challenge model. And this Phase 2A human challenge model is both will help with the speed and with the control of the trial. And that's one of the reasons why we chose it. So once we submit in early 23, we expect to hear back from the UK, and once we get their approval, we would then move into a Phase 2A trial in mid to the second half of 2023.
This program should provide you with the catalyst to look deeper into this and many of the 6,000 public companies listed on Channelchek. As a current or potential shareholder, Channelchek is your source for in-depth research, advanced market data, short and long format video, and for news that may impact your investment portfolio.